Hey everybody, Marguerite from the DIY Duo. We're hitting fall season, and so we've cleared away the tomato plants. We still kept the peppers alive because they're doing well. As you can see, we still have some peppers growing on the plants, but this is probably going to be there last weekend. Everything else has been pretty much cleared away. And let's take a look at our basil over here. You're going to see that a lot of it went to seed. And there are going to be people that'll tell you, too late. You should have picked the basil before it went to seed. Now you can't use it. I don't know. I find that to be hogwash. What I'm going to do, because this is a nice batch of basil, is I'm going to pull it up from the ground and we are going to make pesto. Let me come out here and take some of these leaves that are falling off. A lot of them are in good shape. I'm going to pluck the good leaves off in the kitchen. And pesto is pretty easy to make. You'll see in a moment. All right, everybody. We have all the ingredients we need. Basil from the garden. There's 2 cups. What I do is I smash it down in the cups. This is 2 cups of basil from the garden. And we've got a half a cup of toasted pine nuts, and I bought them straight from Trader Joe's, already dry roasted, toasted. We've got 1 garlic clove. We've got 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon. We've got 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. We've got salt, we've got pepper, we've got olive oil, and that's everything you need to mix in the Cuisinart over here. So let's get started. Okay, so step 1 is going to be to combine the half a cup of pine nuts, the lemon juice, the garlic, salt. They say 1/4 teaspoon. I'm just gonna eye it. And the pepper, which is to taste. I like pepper, so I may give it a couple more spins than you might. All right. And combine it. Sorry, it's loud. Okay. Now we're going to add the basil. We want every basil leaf in there. Okay, we're going to pulse it then. It already smells great. As my father would say, now we're cooking with olive oil. Okay, now we're going to drizzle in the olive oil, which is saying about 1/4 of a cup. I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to move it around a little bit. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And you know what? I just might make more because I still have a lot of basil to use. In goes the parmesan. And you can freeze it. It doesn't go bad. You can freeze it up to 6 months. So, let's finish this up. Oh, it smells really good. Let's do this. Uh-oh, got my little silicone. It's really good. I think I am going to put a little bit more olive oil in. Only because I like olive oil. Also from Trader Joe's. I really like this olive oil. Someone from Trader Joe's turned me on to it. Really, really like it. All right. Can you see what I'm doing? So I have to apologize. I know that some viewers had asked if I could do this at a different angle, but I'm in a galley kitchen, and so I am surrounded by walls on both sides of me. It's a very skinny kitchen, and I really don't have any other place to put the camera. Maybe on top of the refrigerator, but then you're going to see the top of my head. Oh my God, this is great. We are going to have it with our pasta tonight, and John will let you know what he thinks. Okay, John's not home from work yet, and I'm starving, so I'm going to start without him. And the first thing I'm going to do, I have delicious ravioli here. I'm going to put some of my pesto across the ravioli. Some people will actually use sauce and then put a dollop of pesto on top of the sauce. I'm gonna go straight up pesto for today. And I got this beautiful garden salad. Pretty much the end of the garden at this point. All right. And I'm going to take a bite for everybody. I'll tell you what I think. I'll go with this one. Now I feel like Lydia. I'll take a bite for everybody. Awesome. I may not leave any for John. I may eat this whole plate. This is really, really good. And the pesto was so easy to make. Well, bon appetit, everyone. I hope you give this a try. You're going to find it just as delicious as me.